In a world teeming with life, there are silent heroes that often go unnoticed. Pollinators, from tiny insects to mammals, play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They ensure the reproduction of plants, which in turn provide us with food, medicine, and beautiful landscapes. One of North Queensland's silent heroes is the butterfly. With their delicate wings and vibrant colours, they are more than just beautiful creatures. They are a crucial pollinator, ensuring the survival of native plants.
All of the fruit and vegetables and vegetation that we have is here because of pollinators. In terms of the native forest, the main pollinators are bats, the bees, birds, beetles, wasps, hoverflies, flies and butterflies. Butterflies fill a place in nature. To see them in the environment is something that we love.
Meanwhile, high above, fruit bats, or flying foxes, also play a vital role in pollinating native trees and plants.
They have fur, so they carry a lot of pollen, and then they can go from, one tree to the next. And because they fly very long distances, they can really help spread the pollen over very large areas. So their contribution to biological diversity is really important. Supercharged butterflies, that's what they are. They do have an influence on the soil because they produce a fair amount of feces under the trees, so they actually increase the nutrients around the trees and provide some fertilizer, basically.
The soil beneath our feet is another unsung hero. It is not just dirt, it's a bustling community of organisms that sustain life above and below ground. It provides essential nutrients and minerals for plants, supporting their growth and resilience.
The importance of healthy soil encapsulates so many things. It is the building block for our vegetation and trees. It supports rich biodiversity, from the little insects and fungi and everything that live in the soil to those things then being eaten by a different series of predators. A good soil is absorbent and reduces urban runoff. And by supporting a really healthy vegetation, particularly canopy, it's very cooling for our higher density living and how we're living now.
As you see, pollinators and healthy soil play a crucial role in the ecosystem. However, this delicate balance is under threat. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are putting our pollinators and soil health at risk. But there is hope. By protecting habitats, planting native species, and adopting sustainable practices, we can ensure a brighter future for butterflies, fruit bats, and the whole ecosystem.
Redirecting your organic waste, such as your food scraps and garden clippings, from going to landfill into your own compost heap. It's that amazing little ecosystem.
In your garden, plant host plants, a good nectar supply of different flowers, because different types of flowers attract different butterflies. A lot of nurseries, especially around Townsville, they'll be able to tell you what plants to plant for butterflies as host plants and nectar.
So here at Murky Waters, we've created these lovely gardens. There's different little plants that attract and help the pollinators, and we've got some larger trees coming through. It's one of the first things people notice when they come to this otherwise industrial area, that, hey, look at these nice gardens, and it's very relatable.
I think it's important that people who do like the flying foxes and who either appreciate them, on their own, or just simply because they understand their ecological role, they need to manage the flying foxes in a way that is respectful and that helps the public understand and appreciate their value.
By taking small steps, each of us can make a difference. Let's protect our pollinators, nurture our soils, and preserve the very essence of Australia's natural beauty and diversity. Because when we care for them, we care for ourselves.